Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Photoshop to design a YouTube thumbnail brand style, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Adobe website at adobe.com. Locate the Products section on the home page. Select Photoshop from the list of available software. You will be directed to the Photoshop product page. Click on the free trial button if you want to test it first, or select Buy Now to purchase the software. If you choose to try the trial, you will be prompted to create or sign in to an Adobe account. Follow the on-screen instructions to either sign in or register for a new account. Once logged in, select your operating system, Windows or Mac. Click on the Download button to initiate the download process. The setup file will begin downloading to your computer. Locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the setup file to start the installation process. Follow the prompts in the installation wizard. Accept the license agreement to continue. Choose the installation location or leave it at the default setting. Click Install to begin the installation. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, click Finish to close the installation wizard. Open Photoshop by locating its icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Upon opening, you will be asked to sign in again if you haven't already. Now that Photoshop is installed, you can start creating your YouTube thumbnail brand style. Begin by selecting New Document from the File menu. Set the dimensions for your thumbnail, typically 1280 by 720 pixels. Now you are ready to design your custom YouTube thumbnail style using Photoshop's tools and features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.